Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger battery. First, gather your tools: a 10 mm or 13 mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your Ford Ranger is turned off and parked on a flat, stable surface. For your safety, remember to put on protective gloves and safety glasses before you begin working with the battery. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Locate your Ford Ranger's battery, typically found under the hood. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, using your wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. If the terminals are corroded or stuck, a battery terminal puller can make this step much easier. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Be careful when lifting the old battery out, as it can weigh around 30 to 40 pounds. Once removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact for the new battery. Finally, let's install your new battery. Carefully place the new battery into the clean battery tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap to keep it firmly in position. When connecting the terminals, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check all connections are tight, and you're ready to start your Ford Ranger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.